Hello friends, welcome back. Today, I had to push my stool out of the way so that I could see the camera, make sure everything's in focus. I have the Scrappy Fox new releases for the month of July. So 2 sales coming up. One is coming up on Friday this weekend, which is, what's today? Today's the 5th, 6th, 7th, so like 7th, 8th, whatever day Friday is. It starts Friday, ends on Sunday, and so all of my shop will be on sale for the vault sale. So this stuff will also be a part of that sale. So if you're a part of the Facebook group, you will get a code, which is good for this weekend, which has nothing whatsoever to do with the TPC sale. It is all by itself, its own little sale this weekend. So if you are not a part of the Facebook group, this is all the stuff that you can get along with everything else in the shop with the discount code from the Facebook group. Otherwise, this will also be there for the TPC sale. So I'm going to start going through this stuff. Sorry, I'm talking way too fast. I am so sorry. Buckle up, get some coffee, kick your feet up, get comfy, because there's a lot of stuff here and I'm not even done. So I'm going to start kind of making a little thing off to the side so that I can go through these properly, because I just kind of unceremoniously dumped everything right in the middle of my filming area. So we have a lot. I'm just going to kind of slide that off. Let's start with something simple. So I did a few new script things in my shop because I needed them and I thought these were cute. So, and I got a new font that I really, really love. And this is just redoing some of the other ones, but kind of condensing them into a smaller script. So these are a little bit less expensive. It's a little bit more centric towards a theme. And if everybody likes these and they go over well, I will continue to make them, bringing in some other themes, which I will get ideas from my Facebook group to see what kind of other ones that you want. But this is the hello, and it's got stuff like phone call, make calls, BFF chat, call my peeps, all that kind of stuff. So this is font A. This is font B. This is font C, and then this is the new font, font D, which is super, super cute. So that's phone calls. Then we've got meals, and this is A. This has stuff like order out, fast food, pack lunch, meal prep, cook dinner, just a fun little different ways of saying the same thing so that you're not always putting the same exact thing down every time. I mean, we're doing the same thing every day, but it doesn't have to always look the same. Here is script D. I love this new script. I think it's really, really cute. Then this one is clean because, you know, there's another thing that we got to do all the time, so we might as well make it look cute by changing it up a little bit. We've got clean, cleaning day, clean the things, deep clean, tidy up. That's A. That's C. They're out of order. Here's B, and then there's A. So where is D? There it is. I started with D, and then C, and then A, and totally out of order, but there's B. So those are the new smaller. So these are like half, not half, a little more than half the size of the bigger sheets. So there are less of them on there. They're a little bit less expensive, but they have more options for saying the same thing over and over again. Now let's go to this one. So I finally guys, I reformatted. This is year 4. For my exclusive Harry Potter art. So this is available also as a printable and in the new format. So this is the deluxe format, 8 full boxes. This is all year 4 Harry Potter stuff. So Rita Skeeter's glasses and her quill. You've got the Potter Stinks badge. You've got all the dragons from the, yep. Can't think of the name. Anyway, here's the chair where Voldemort and Nagini, well, Voldemort was sitting. Here, maybe you can tell what all these are. I don't even need to go through it because my mind is actually like drawing a complete blank on the names that I need to say right now because I'm so scattered right now from doing so many different things. I'm so sorry. Here is your page 2 with your washi. This is very bright, very bright. Here is Voldemort at the cemetery, that scene from the cemetery scene. Then here is this page. Here's this page. Here's this one with all your deco, all of your extras. This is a very bright kit. The colors are very bright. Even though some of the artwork might look kind of dark, the colors on it are very vibrant. Your extra add-on TPC and your extra add-on for the double box, 2 more, like a close-up of the cemetery, the Yule Ball with the Weird Sisters, and your check boxes. So this is available both in printable and in the shop as a physical kit. So there's that one. Then other deluxe kit in there is called Rainy Day, and these are just the cutest little frogs ever. They're just adorable. I loved the artwork, and so I picked it up because I thought it was super cute. And this one is a good transition from summer to fall. It's a very good transition kit. So they are dressed a little bit warmer, but not like winter warm. There's a lot of food elements in here. They're reading under their toadstool. Here's one with some coffee on the toadstool. It's just a really cute watercolor kit. So this is very watercolor, not very like super bright saturated. It's saturated color wise, but it's not like the super bright vibrant colors. This is a more muted, like I said, great transition kit from August to September. And I'm just going to go through all the boxes so you can see them. Like I said, it's all watercolor art. This artist is so fun. There's another kit by this artist in my little pile here, and I love that one. Love, love, love it. Love this one too, but that one is like, I think, going to be my favorite out of this whole entire collection, even though I've got a ton of stuff here. And I think I'll do that one next, because the rest of these, I believe, nope, one more deluxe. I'm going to do all the deluxes first, and then I'll get into all the mini kits. So this one is called Crisp. This is the Kitness Girl Jess art, which I'd been hanging on to for a while. Because when stuff comes out at first, it's like, oh, I love that. I want it. I want it. I want it. And I pick up all this artwork, but then I run out of steam. I run out of time to put it all together. So then it just kind of sits there and waits for when I think is the perfect time to bring it out. So this was the perfect time. And my PR girl, Sarah, if you are going to join the Facebook group, we head back, and Sarah uses this in a live plan with me, but the video will be available on Facebook, so you can see her use this kit. So Sarah did a fantastic job with this one. So that is Crisp, and it is beautiful Kitness Girl Jess art. So I'll put that one off to the side. That's it for the deluxe kits. So now we're going to move into the mini kits. Oh, I lied. One more. So this was a redo. This one was a mini kit last month, and it was very, very popular. Everybody loves this art, and everybody bought like all the mini kits. But after the fact, this artist released scenes. She released scenes after I had already bought the artwork and used it as a mini kit. And typically how I choose what's going to be a deluxe and what's going to be a mini depends on how much artwork is available from the artist. So this one originally was a mini because there was no scene boxes in the background, and now there is. So we have turned it into a deluxe. So if you loved the hiking one and you wanted more, you can always get, you know, in my shop, the deluxe. So it's also available as a printable, but the deluxe kits, you can get page 1 and page 2 by themselves. And then you can also get page 4, which has, look at that gorgeous artwork that she added. Oh, it's absolutely stunning artwork. So this you can get by itself, and this you can get by itself. So those ones are all add-ons that you can do separately. So if you bought this kit in a mini and you want to turn it into a deluxe, you can add those on by themselves. And then here's all the rest of the pages, which is just the rest of the deluxe kit. You get deco in the deluxe kit, so you get all this deco. So if you loved this, you can now turn it into a deluxe kit if you want to just add on the single pages, or you can, if you were holding off on it because it wasn't a deluxe kit, well, now it is. So you can pick it up as deluxe. There is that one. This one's called Let's Hike. Now we'll get into the minis. So this is the minis, the B6s. Now I have also added the journaling kits as well. So that's this pile right here. This one right here is what I was talking about as my favorite art. This is like my absolute favorite, where we're running into like summer to fall. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. So I have here, I'll just show you the monthly real quick. Well, no, I'll show you this one. That way you can see what the monthly is without this. So this is the mini kit. No, this is the B6 kit. I'm sorry. I can't today. I just can't. B6 Lumberjack. Look how stinking cute this artwork is. I love this. I love, 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 love this. So that's your page 1. There's your page 2. So this is the B6 format. Your page 3 and your page 4. So that is that. So now you can see what the artwork looks like. So now we'll go into the B6 monthly, which comes with your monthly date covers. So you can pick what month you want to use it. Then you've got your top of your B6 monthly, your date dots, and then your sidebar and all of your extra pages. So this one is absolutely fantastic. Love this. So that's the B6 part of it. Then we have journaling pages. So you've got journaling options here for like if you happen to be a happy planner and you've got that notes page in the happy planner, this is perfect for that. It also works really, really well for daily pages. Like if you're a Penny Pages daily planner, this is a perfect little option for daily spreads, all kinds of stuff, or just straight up blank journaling pages, make your own, perfect for that, which I already used it for once just to kind of show it off. Then you've got your TPC add-on, which is available for your TPC peeps. And then this is the mini kit. So this is just your regular, not B6 size, but this is the regular standard size standard size vertical mini kit. So here's all of your full boxes, your washi and your date covers, your page 3, and your page 4. So that is just regular mini kit size. So if you like the bigger, the only really big difference between this and the B6 is that the shorter boxes in the B6 fit better on the smaller planners, and this fits better in the standard vertical size planner. So that is called Lumberjack. Love that. Next up, we've got Homegrown. Oh, this artist, so saturated. Love these colors. Absolutely gorgeous. She's coming out with a fall one here pretty soon, and I am in love. And you will be seeing that for sure in my shop. But here is your TPC add-on. This one is called Homegrown. We'll go through the B6 kit really quick. So here's your B6 artwork. Look at how stinking adorable this is. This is a perfect kit for like September, which is like the best time to be starting to do all the harvesting and canning and stuff for the winter. So you've got like a little canning section doing all this stuff. Oh, love this kit. Here's your second page of the B6, your third page of the B6, and your fourth page of the B6. Then this one is the monthly, B6 monthly, right there. Let me set that one off to the side, and then we'll move into the journaling. So here's the journaling kit for this one. You can tell I love that Choose Happy because it's like in a lot of these kits. It'll probably continue to be in them because that's like my favorite thing to put on a page is just Choose Happy. Because everybody's always so grumpy, and so it's like perfect, including me. It just reminds me to stop being a grump. And here is your regular standard vertical. Your 8 full boxes, which is, like I said, same exact art as the B6 is on here, but B6 is just shorter boxes. There are differences in the page 2. This is the setup for the mini kit. The B6 is different because these are different on the B6. This one and this one. So that is Homegrown, which I love. And then next, this one is, I'm gonna do the summery one first and then the fall one. So this one is called Birds in Paradise. I couldn't remember what I called it. Birds in Paradise, but it's a very July, August type kit. Simply adorable. There's that. Let me put it in a somewhat semblance of an order here. Okay, like we were doing before. Okay, so TPC add-on, B6, gorgeous papers, bright, beautiful. I love, love, love the colors of this. It is very summertime, very gorgeous. Here's your B6 page 2, your washi and your date covers, your page 3, and your page 4. Your B6 monthly, which again, all of these come with, I don't have one for every single one because I showed it to you, but it comes with the months and they're scaled down to fit. Look at that sidebar. It's so stinking cute. He is just so cute. Anyway, that's the B6. Then you've got the journaling kits with the, here. Choose Happy and Perfectly Imperfect on this one. So it just depends on the kit. Sometimes I add more quotes. Sometimes I add more art. Sometimes it just depends on what I'm feeling when I make the journaling kit. They won't all be exactly the same, but like the basics of the kits, the journaling kits will be the same. But things like deco and quote boxes and stuff like that will change up depending on the kit. This one is the standard vertical. Your standard verticals, page 2, 3, and 4. It's so saturated. Oh, it's so pretty. You know me and my color. And then the last thing that I have for you, and it is by no means the last of everything that is coming out in July. July is a very heavy month for things coming out. Some of it is reformatting old kits that people have been asking me for forever, and I'm finally getting a chance to do it. And the reason why I'm getting a chance to do it is because TBC sale is a little bit later in the month this time. So I actually have time to do a little bit of formatting. So we'll start with the B6. This one is called Fabulous Fall. It is fabulous. The colors are gorgeous. It is so, so stunning. Here you've got your kit. I love this artwork. I love this artist. I've got a lot of stuff from this artist over the years, and I will continue to get it every chance I get. Here's your monthly. Beautiful and beautiful. Then you've got your mini kit. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, love it. That, and your page 4, and then your journaling kit for this one. There we go. And that is the fabulous fall journaling kit. So there is all of the new releases that are new and at one reformat, but there are more reformats coming, hopefully, as long as I have time to get through them all. I have actually got a list and I kind of check them off as I go. So I was trying to go with like the most important ones in the beginning. So that is happening. Plus, don't forget that the sale is going on right now for the monthly mystery, and the monthly mystery this month is that Wild Adventure, which is the safari / Jungle Cruise themed kit, and it features Tarzan and Jane in it, and some plushies and some other really cute stuff. And then it has the 2 different, oh, you know what I can do? I can show you, because I never got to show the gold. Hold on one second. There it is. Okay. Sorry. Running over to the shop. I didn't get to show the gold. So this is from Wild Adventures. So you have the choice of the green, the kiwi green, which is what I showed in the unboxing and I showed me using, because this hadn't come in yet. But how stunning is that gold? You will see this gold come back in the shop for sure. I have plans for this gold to come back. But isn't this gorgeous? It's like a confetti. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is beautiful. So you have a choice this month of the kiwi green or this gorgeous gold, which is like a, I think they call it confetti pattern in the background, but it is absolutely stunning. But anyway, I wanted to show that off because nobody really got a chance to see it in person, like on video. But that is going on until the 10th. And on the 10th is when it goes back in the vault, and then it doesn't come out again for quite a while, like at least 6 months. It'll come back to the Facebook group as like a little mini kit. And then a year later, it'll pop back out every once in a while to just the regular Etsy shop stuff without any like sales or anything like that. But the Facebook group will always have the sales. So here, oh my gosh, is everything so far, besides the reformats and the Wild Adventure, which is already out and that has its own separate video. So there's everything. My gosh, there is so much coming out this month. I'm super excited. Can't wait to share some of these plan with me's that I have coming up. And that's it. Also look forward to the haul. So the June haul should be coming out here within like the next few days. I just got to upload 550,000 hours of video. Anyway, have a fantastic day and I will see you again real soon. Bye.